Okay, hi there. Basically, today I'm going to show you how to create listings from scratch on OnBuy. So it's very simple to do. So all we need to do is we'll need to go to listing and products and press add listing. From there, we'll search anything. It doesn't matter what we search. So you can search up Apple Watch Series 1, and you just need to scroll all the way down and then put can't find the product you wish to list. Create a new product. So you're going to click that. Okay, and then from there you're going to press choose category. So we're on stage 1, so we're going to choose the category 1. Okay. Now target category. So we're going to go for electronics and technology. So every single, so you're going to want to click something similar to Apple iWatches. So you're going to want smartwatches and accessories. So just click smartwatches and accessories for Apple Watches. And you're going to put smartwatches. So we've got electronics and technologies, we've got smartwatches and accessories, and we've got smartwatches. This is what you want the three fields to be, and then you want to click list here. And it will show you this box, you just press OK. Okay, now from here, what you want to do is you want to actually select no variants. Does this product have any variants? So press no. And then you'll select the UPC of it. And then we'll click Apple here. So this is what we want. So we'll click this little button right here. Okay. When it says, does this product have an MPN? We'll put no. And then we'll press continue. Okay, so now you want to add images. So all you need to do is get images, select it. As I said, you can use the same images twice, as long as there's some kind of variety. And then once you've saved them in, you'll press close. And then from there, you'll press continue. Once you've got 3 to 4 images, and then we will color. Okay. Or you can add a custom option. But to keep it very simple, I wouldn't do that. I'll just put grey, silver, gold, and everything. And then press confirm, and then you press save. And then you'd want a description. So for a description, into width and length, just put 42 millimeters on the width and leave it, that's fine. And then save it. So you need to put just the number and then save it. Condition, you want to put new. SKU, leave it. Handling time, just select all of these as before. And the price. Okay, and then everything else is fine, just like before. And then continue. Okay. Then that one's done, and then press complete. And press yes. And then it takes a couple of minutes, but then it will appear here.